Hello and welcome to the summary. What has happened in week 17 of the Lucy Letby trial? Now, the courts have been talking about child M. One of the doctors gave evidence and said that they had flagged to another doctor that they were concerned that Letby had been working at the time of these unexpected deaths. So they started to have their doubts about Letby's competence, and then I think started to worry that perhaps this was a criminal incident or incidences that have happened. So child M, they talked about the fact that they thought air had been injected. M was very tense, their muscles were very tense, which apparently is a sign of oxygen or deprivation of oxygen. Remember child L, the twin, they said had been poisoned by insulin. Now, they talked a little bit about child L's insulin. They said that insulin was kept in a locked fridge at all times. However, nurses who were on duty would actually have the keys to those locked fridges. So a number of people would have had access to the insulin that they are claiming Letby gave to child L. Now, I thought this was rather interesting development or interesting piece of evidence. Child M paperwork was found in Letby's house. So she allegedly wrote on a paper towel the drugs that child M had been administered. And this paper towel was under her bed. So it was found underneath her bed. Bearing in mind, this would have been years after the incident, because remember, she wasn't arrested immediately after the deaths of and alleged attempted murders of these children. So she denied in a police interview that she had taken the notes as a souvenir to keep under her bed. But it's the first bit of evidence really that perhaps raises more suspicions. And remember, this is the prosecution case. She is innocent until proven guilty. We have not heard the defence's case. It's going to be interesting to see if she gives evidence. So quite an eventful week in court. We're only talking about child M. We have, unfortunately, several more victims to discuss before the defence then give their case.